Sup guys, so in this video we shall look into and learn about the first data structures in Python called as list. So without any further delay, let's start it right away. After slicing, this indexing property allows us to insert values in a list at any index position. So let's clear this again. Let's print this my list. Now at index position 2 I want to insert a complex number 0 plus 5j. Alright, yes. Now let us print list. Now what will be the elements in my list? Index with 0 will be 1, index 1 will be 2, index 2 will be my new value, index 3 will be 3.4, index 4 will be Python. Yes, this is how you can insert a value in Python to a list. Alright, now if you want to add an element to the end of the list, alright, I want to add an element to the end of the list, I can simply use something called as append. Append is a method that is used to modify your list by adding an element at the end of the list. Now I want to add the version that I am using, 3.7.4. Alright, let's print my list again. Added. Alright, now let us assume I have another method, rather another object of a list again. Let us say this b list is equal to, I'll have and Monday. Okay, now I want each of these elements to be added to my list at the end. Alright, each element to be added. So now what we'll do is, let us call mylist.append method and send this b list to that and see what happens. Oh, my b list has got added or appended to this list as an individual element, as a list itself. But this is not what I wanted, right? I want each element to be added. Right, so when you want to add a collection of elements to an existing collection of elements, which is a list, then you have extend method. Now they are individually added, right? Yep. Thank you.